we've also seen that your friendship with Samay has grown over a period of time.
Yeah.
And you recently met him.
Yeah.
So how is it meeting with him? How was the whole meeting?
Great. Samay is a great guy. Yeah. He's really fun. He's really funny. Every time you see him, he'll tell you like 10, 15 new jokes, and like he's a great person to be around.
Do you guys discuss whatever happened, the whole controversy?
Yeah. मतलब not like in a serious way where वो रो रहा है या मैं रो रही हूँ या हम बोल रहे हैं, just like in a fun sort of way. वो 2 joke मारेगा, मैं 2 joke मारूंगी, and that's about it.
Are you completely over the whole trauma, the thing that happened to you?
Of course, yeah. I think I was over it while it was happening. I just needed to get back on the internet to feel myself again, and I did that. And I think I've sort of now reached this place where hate comments don't affect me at all because I went through so much. And I think I'm glad that I went through that. It's great. I really needed it. Like, I really needed a reality check that Instagram is not everything. Comments are not everything. Views are not everything. You are your own person irrespective of what the internet thinks about you.
आपकी जो लाइफ रही है, there have been many setbacks and बहुत ही रोलर कोस्टर भरा राइड रहा है. But let me tell you, this ride is the one where जहाँ सीट बेल्ट नहीं है.
Yeah.
So how did you deal with all of that?
यार, आई थिंक सबकी लाइफ में ही रोलर कोस्टर्स रहते हैं, सबकी लाइफ में ही अप्स एंड डाउन्स रहते हैं. द ओनली थिंग इज माइन इज पब्लिकली, so everybody can watch it, but I'm sure everybody goes through like their set of setbacks. And I think I always look at all of my setbacks as great stories that I can one day tell. And I also want to have struggle stories to tell my kids, right? कि तुम्हारी मम्मी के साथ तो इतना बुरा होता था और तुम्हारे साथ तो सब कुछ ठीक है, जैसे पापा हमें सुनाते हैं. So I think it's all just a part of life.
This answer itself explains that you are evolving.
Yeah. पहले I would have gone on a rant कि भाई साहब मेरे साथ तो कितना बुरा हो रहा है और किसी के साथ इतना बुरा नहीं हो रहा है. But I have gotten better.
कभी क्वेश्चन किया है कि why just me? जब भी setbacks आए हैं लाइफ में तो एक होता है टेंडेंसी, यार हमेशा मैं ही क्यों?
यार, I have 4 million followers and I never questioned मैं क्यों. And I have a Dharma movie and I never questioned मैं क्यों. And I have a show on Prime and I never questioned मैं क्यों. How can everything be nice? I need bad things for personality development. And that's how just I see it. सबके साथ ही बुरा होता है, होना चाहिए, जितना बुरा हो उतना अच्छा होता है. I truly really believe in it. Varna nothing will make sense.
There's always a light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, but I think the tunnel is never ending and there are just flashes of light at like different instances. So you just enjoy the light for the time that it is, because it will get dark again.
What does Apurva do when it gets dark? Does she close herself in a room and is all by herself? She shuts herself down?
आपको लग रही हूँ मैं ऐसी इंसान कि I will shut myself, shut down, कमरे में अकेले. अगर मैं दुखी हूँ, सबको पता होना चाहिए कि मैं दुखी हूँ. दूसरा, अगर मैं दुखी हूँ तो जिसने मुझे दुखी किया वो भी दुखी होना चाहिए. तो I believe in A, ranting, B, crying, and C, taking revenge.
Wow.
Yeah.
Has the third formula वो apply हुआ है लोगों पर?
मैं जिनका मैं बुरा करना चाहती हूँ उनका कोई बुरा होता ही नहीं है. वो लोग इतने खुश हैं लाइफ में, उनका कुछ कोई है ही नहीं जिनका मैं बुरा करना चाहती हूँ. और मैं चाहती जरूर हूँ, प्रे जरूर करती हूँ मैं. फिर अगर 10 साल बाद भी हो तो I'm like, okay, भगवान है, भगवान ने सुनी मेरी. Good job for भगवान जी.
कर्मा है.
Yeah, I always say I don't believe in karma. I am karma, but I've not been able to serve it that well. Yeah.
I really like this attitude of yours. Seriously. Apurva, because you have अभी आप ट्रेटर्स में थे और आपकी लाइफ, no matter how much we try to run away from this one thing, it has always been surrounded with controversy.
Yeah.
Fortunate ka ho ya unfortunate ka ho. And you've dealt pretty well with all the situations.
Yeah.
In your own way.
Yeah.
So, would you, generally Bigg Boss ke offers aate hain logon ko when controversy and you go hand in hand. So, have you got that offer?
Yes. I always say never. So, I would never say ki I will never do something. But I think just captive reality as a space is very anxiety inducing, and as a person who already overthinks a lot and has anxiety, it's just a tough space to be in. But पैसे से ऊपर क्या है दुनिया में, अब पैसा होगा तो कर लेंगे, देखते हैं.
कासल से बाहर आ गए हो, so when you're not doing anything,
yeah,
what is Apurva like? What is she then doing when the cameras are off?
interviews with you, but यहाँ पे भी कैमरा है. यार, I think I have a very ऊपर नीचे hectic life. Every day I'm doing something or the other. I'm going to some event. कोई ना कोई तो shoot है ही भगवान की दया से. So I'm always staying busy, but every day like 3-4 hours, not 3-4 hours, 2 घंटे तो I spend with my friends. We all sit together. It reminds me of how we used to go to tuition and हम हर दिन मिलते थे and we used to share everything. I sort of have that with my friends here and it's really fun. I love it.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.